Tired of managing a business account on Instagram? Want to switch back to a personal account quickly and safely? I'll show you the exact steps to make the change in seconds. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll guide you through switching your Instagram professional account back to a personal account effortlessly. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Ensure you're logged into the account you want to switch. Check that your app is updated for smooth functionality. This first step sets you up for a seamless account change. Step 2. Go to the bottom right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your Instagram profile page instantly. Make sure it's the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Being on the right profile avoids any accidental changes. Step 3. Look for the Professional Dashboard option on your profile. This section gives you control over insights, tools, and settings. Tapping it allows you to access account type options quickly. It's the hub for managing your professional account features. Step 4. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. This gives you access to all account management tools. Ensure you scroll carefully to find the right settings section. Opening settings is the gateway to switching your account type. Step 5. Scroll through the settings menu to locate Switch Account Type. This is where Instagram allows you to change your account type. Finding this option is crucial for moving from professional to personal. Carefully selecting it ensures a smooth and accurate transition. Step 6. Tap the Switch to Personal Account option. Instagram will show a confirmation prompt to double-check. This is your chance to confirm the change before finalizing it. Selecting this sets the stage for converting your account back. If this tutorial is helping you, hit the like button, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and turn on the bell icon to get the latest Instagram tips and tricks instantly. Step 7. From the prompt, tap Switch to Personal Account once more. Instagram will process your request and change the account type. Your account is now personal and professional tools will be removed. Congratulations, you've successfully switched back to a personal account. Switching your Instagram account doesn't have to be confusing. Follow these exact steps and you can downgrade safely and confidently. Stay in control of your account and simplify your Instagram experience. For more expert social media tutorials, keep following Preyo Phonie. We make tech simple and effective.